This is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food, Health, Nutrition, Wealth YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be going into our weekly meal plan and also our grocery haul. I'm excited this week to be using a new meal planning and also a grocery list sheet. And these are ones that I designed. So they kind of meet the kind of functionality that I would like. And I've made them into a kind of a spring theme. It's kind of nice and sunny today, so it's kind of inspiring. But here I'll get into it now to show you what we'll be eating this week. So on Monday, we're going to be doing chicken and broccoli stir fry with cauliflower rice. And then that'll be used for leftovers on Wednesday. Tuesday and Saturday, we're going to be doing chicken burgers with a spring salad. And then on Thursday and Friday, I'm going to be doing an air fried steak and roasted asparagus. And then that'll be leftover for Friday. And then Sunday, we're going to be doing a beef pot roast with mashed rutabaga and Brussels sprouts that are roasted. So that's the plan. As per usual, we are intermittent fasters, so our breakfast meals are typically pushed back until about lunchtime. That's how we like to do it. And then during the work week, it'll be cremini mushroom and cheddar omelet with avocado, and then I'll have some other breakfast meals for the weekend. So that's the plan. I'm going to head out to go grocery shopping, but before I do, I will show you what my grocery list is. So here is my grocery list. And again, I created this new sheet because what I really wanted was something that I could budget with and show what the plan was for where the money was going. And then also I wanted to be able to loop back and compare how I did in the end. So what I actually ended up paying, did I find any deals, did I spend a bit more, that kind of thing. So that was the thought there. And as you guys may remember from my previous videos, we do receive a TruLocal subscription box for our meat. So the majority of our meat and dairy items are just dairy items, to be honest, and then also a few extra little meat items. So getting eggs and butter, cheddar, feta cheese for the spring salad, and then some bacon. Most of our grocery list is around produce, so I'm going to be getting some broccoli for the stir fry, avocados because they are a staple. I pretty much have one avocado every day, typically with my lunch meal, which is my breakfast really. Mushrooms, lettuce, some asparagus, and then a rutabaga. And then just a few items in our dry goods, espresso, and some liquid water enhancers. So that is the plan. I'm going to head out shopping now, and I'll show you what I got as soon as I get back. All right, guys, so I'm back from the grocery store, and this is what we got. And I'll just go through it here. We have broccoli, avocados, we got some romaine hearts, asparagus, then we got some feta cheese and a rutabaga, bacon, butter, eggs, some cremini mushrooms, the espresso powder, cheese, and then the liquid water enhancers. So that's everything. Did pretty good. Alright guys, so I'll just quickly touch base on how things worked out with the grocery list we had and the budget. So you can see here, in the meat and dairy, we're pretty much on point except for the cheddar. The one that was on sale wasn't in stock, so I ended up getting one that was slightly more, but actually one that I prefer anyway. So that worked out okay. So just slightly over there. As far as the produce goes, we went quite a bit under. The main reason being, so I ended up only getting one bag of the avocados. I realized we had enough on hand and didn't really need to have the 2 bags. So that happened. And then I found that they had the romaine hearts on sale for $2. So that instead of getting the spring lettuce, I got that. So that was a good substitute for us. And then down here, one of the stores that I went to had the espresso powder that I like on sale for $5.99. So that saved us a little bit there. So that worked out really well. I did really like how the worksheet for the grocery list worked out, and I will continue to use it. I might tweak it a little bit to see if I can improve it just slightly. And then if we just go back here, I had a little note at the bottom. Budget was $59.51. Actual was $54.60, so under budget, and that's always great to have, especially if you remember from last week, and we had gone over slightly and bought a few extra meat products. So as I planned it, it balanced out, and that is exactly how we like to do it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It does help us a lot. And if you aren't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you can see when I put up these weekly grocery haul and meal planning videos. I also do put up a weekly recipe video, so if you're interested in that, I'll link it below the last week one, and then also the cards above, I'll link you to a playlist that shows all of our recipes and that kind of thing. So that's it, and until next time, bye-bye.